Have you ever wondered if your investments are truly safe? We pour our hard-earned money into these platforms, hoping for growth, but the question of security always lingers. Today, we're tackling that very question head-on, specifically focusing on the popular investment platform, StashAway. Is StashAway guaranteed safe? That's what we're here to find out. Investing can feel like navigating a maze, especially with so many options available. You hear about robo-advisors, diversified portfolios, and all sorts of complex financial jargon. It's easy to get overwhelmed, and in that confusion, the most important question can get lost: is my money safe? We're going to break down StashAway's security measures, explore the regulations they adhere to, and give you a clearer picture of what you can expect when investing with them. First, let's understand what StashAway is. It's a digital wealth management platform, often called a robo-advisor. This means it uses algorithms to manage your investments based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. It automates the process of building and managing a diversified portfolio, making investing more accessible to the average person. But that accessibility shouldn't come at the cost of security. So, is StashAway safe? The short answer is, no investment is entirely without risk. However, StashAway implements several measures to protect your funds and data. They are regulated by the Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS, a well-respected financial regulatory body. This regulation imposes strict requirements on how StashAway handles client funds and ensures they maintain a certain level of capital adequacy. This oversight provides a degree of assurance. One crucial aspect of safety is the segregation of client assets. This means your money isn't mixed with StashAway's operating funds. It's held in a separate trust account, meaning that even if StashAway were to face financial difficulties, your investments would be protected. This segregation is a critical safeguard. Another layer of security comes from the use of encryption and data protection measures. StashAway employs industry-standard security protocols to protect your personal and financial information. They use encryption to secure your data in transit and at rest, reducing the risk of unauthorized access. However, it's essential to remember that StashAway, like any investment platform, carries market risk. This means the value of your investments can fluctuate based on market conditions. StashAway's algorithms aim to mitigate this risk through diversification, but they can't eliminate it entirely. No platform can guarantee returns, and losses are possible. Furthermore, while StashAway takes steps to protect against cyber threats, no system is completely impenetrable. Cybersecurity is an ongoing battle, and while StashAway implements robust measures, there's always a potential risk. This is a reality for any online platform, not just investment platforms. So, where does this leave us? StashAway is regulated, segregates client assets, and employs strong security measures. These factors contribute to a safer investment environment. However, market risk and the inherent risks of online platforms mean that no investment can be declared 100% guaranteed safe. It's crucial to do your own research, understand the risks involved, and make informed decisions. Don't rely solely on what you hear in a video. Visit StashAway's website, read their terms and conditions, and if you have any doubts, consult a financial advisor. They can provide personalized advice based on your individual circumstances. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.